Okay, our session is recording, and I want to say welcome to tonight's session. Yeah, we're going to be talking about essential tools. Sharing my screen. So, under this topic, the first, because these tools are going to be categorized based on what they do. The first group of tools is project planning and scheduling. We use them for planning and scheduling. And some of these tools, like Microsoft, it comes number, you can call it a planner, or Microsoft, like Microsoft Project is a planner. So that is the number one tool. Is number one because the way we grade a product is the number of usage. How many people are using this product? That's why we say this product is number one. It's not because it has the most complex or more innovative, but is more adopted globally than every other project management planning and scheduling tool. So it's a comprehensive project management tool developed by Microsoft. It offers features for planning, scheduling, and resource management. Popular features, we have Gantt charts, we have resource management, we have task tracking, reporting and analysis, and integration. So you can integrate it with other applications like Excel, Outlook, and Team. It's just like Project Labor. Yeah, the only difference is that this one belongs to Microsoft and Project Labor belongs to Project Labor team. So it's very popular. A lot of companies are using it. This is the way it looks like. If you look at it, you see it looks like Project Labor and equally looks like Excel. So that's why Excel is a very big tool, because most of these softwares are adopted through Excel. This is how it looks like, and it's not free, it's paid. If you want to use it, you need to pay for it. Then we have Project Labor, which all of you are now pro. If you are not a pro in Project Labor, then it's not my fault. Don't call me, because we try to make it sync. Project Labor is an open source project management software that offers similar features to Microsoft Project, but is available for free. It is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux operating system. Yes, it's free, but now we have paid version. The cloud version aspect of this one is not free. You have to pay for it. But the one you can download on your laptop or your computer is free. It has similar features with Microsoft Project. It comes with Gantt chart as well, resource management as well, task tracking and reporting. So this is the link. Web, want to download it, go through this. If you want to watch videos. If my lesson on this wasn't detailed enough, good and fine. You can dive into YouTube and see some of few lessons about this on YouTube. So this is it. It's a screenshot of how it looks. If you look at this, it looks like your own. That's it. And the beauty of it is that it's free of charge. You know, I don't know why tech people will like a lot of things to be free. A lot free. A lot of free softwares. So that is it. I don't want to dive into others like Oracle Primavera. Master these two as a beginner. You master these two as a beginner. Sky. Above sky is their limit in project management. And we come to project collaboration, collaborative and tracking. These are tools we use for collaboration. Like this, the first tool, Project Labor, you see that it's going to be difficult for you to collaborate with your team member on that software. It's going to be difficult you adding anybody to work with you remotely. It doesn't work. But I think the cloud version, yes, they started innovating on it so that people can collaborate and work. But in project management, the most popular for now, where you can collaborate, you can share tasks, two people can work on one task, just like FreeCamp we are going to be using. We have Asana. Asana is a cloud-based project management software designed for teams to organize and track work, tasks, and projects. It offers features for task management, collaboration, and communication. It's very good. I've used it. So, key features, task management, where you can create, assign, prioritize tasks with due dates and dependencies. Collaborate, share project details, file, update with team members. Calendar view, visualize project timeline and deadline. Integration, you can integrate it with other third-party applications like Google Drive and Dropbox and equally Slack. This is how it looks. This is a screenshot of how Asana looks like. Very simple and very beautiful while you work. A very smooth place to work on with your team. So, it's not difficult. Most of them is not difficult to use. So I'm not going to come and start teaching you one by one. I will only teach us how to use FreeCamp. If you know how to use FreeCamp, you already know how to use this. Just like we've learned how to use Project Labor. If you know how to use it very well, don't worry. If they present Microsoft, you'll be able to use it. All you need to do is understand how it works. FreeCamp. FreeCamp is another project collaborative tool for team members to work on. It's very popular in our ecosystem. So this is what we are using. And you can see here, you see different teams, different projects they are working on. Just like Asana, if you open it, like if you click on any of these, you will see how you are going to be collaborating with your team. So very soon we are going to start our project. So I'm going to give us a thorough induction on how to use FreightCamp. So it's a collaborative tool. I want to make it clear, we call it collaborative tool. This is not, I've seen so many people calling it CRM system. This is different from CRM system. Collaborative tools are not CRM system. They want you to get it right. We call it collaborative and tracking tool. That is what we call it. It's not customer relationship management tool. There's no customer here to relate or manage. All you manage here is project. So just because I've seen so many of us making that mistakes. Okay, we'll have Trello. Trello is just like this other tool we've seen. But the only thing with Trello is it has a very beautiful Kanban board. But almost all these other tools are equal. They have adopted Kanban. All of them have Kanban now. What do we mean Kanban? Kanban is a board like this. You know, this is what we call board. Each of them, like new request is a board, in progress is a board, complete is a board, defer is a board. You know, then in each board we have cards, like infographic for ebook is a card. Blog post announcing new funding is a card. So all of them are different cards in this board. They are called virtual board. So if you go to so many companies, you will see physical board where they use a sticky note to stick this something on that board. So call them board. So that is what this Trello is known for. It's very, very popular with board. So it's a flexible project management tool based on Kanban methodology. Kanban methodology is visualizing project tasks as in board and card. It uses board, list, and card to organize and prioritize tasks and projects. Key features: Kanban board, collaboration, where you invite team members to board and assign tasks and collaborate in real time. Then we'll have customization. You can customize your board with label, due date, and attachment. And equally comes with good integration, such as Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox. So you can be pulling your project document or storing your project document, vice versa. Yeah, this is how it looks. A typical Trello board. You see board is call it board. All these things are board. So all these small items within the board is called card. So I know so many of us must have used it. Is a product of Atlassian. If you know Jira, the people that owns Jira own this as well. Then we'll come to another powerful tool called Jira. Jira is used for Agile, Scrum Agile. Very, very popular. We use it a lot. Jira is widely used project management and issue tracking software developed by a company called Atlassian. It is particularly popular among software development team for managing agile projects. So originally it was developed to manage agile projects, mainly software development. But over time, it has scaled to be used in different capacity. A lot of people are using it for their daily activity. It's extremely powerful and it's free. Although if you want to use it in an enterprise manner, you have to pay for it. But you can get it free and use it with your team. You can use it to manage with your team, and it can take up to 10 people. Once the team we are managing scales more than 10, then they will start asking for something. So that is this Jira. It comes with agile board. We call it sprint board. So it has its own Kanban board. It's called sprint board. We use it for planning and to track and manage agile projects using Scrum or Kanban. We use it for tracking, to create, prioritize, resolve issues or tasks effectively. We equally use it for workflow automation, to customize workflow and automate repetitive tasks. Integration, integrate with development tools such as Bitbucket, GitHub, and Confluence. You can use it in different, it's extremely very powerful, and I like it. Even few minutes before I joined this class, I just finished working on some projects on Jira. So we are going to use it. So these are two collaborative tools we are going to use. This is solely for projects, agile projects. We use it for agile projects. And then this particular one is for waterfall. This FreeCamp. We're going to use FreeCamp for waterfall. We have two methodologies of projects. We're going to use waterfall methodology, which is traditional project management, and then agile methodology, which is the new invention. It's new because so many people do not even know how to use it. So we use this for waterfall, and as the project is scaling, we migrate to Jira at some point, so where the developers are going to join. So that's how it's going to be. Yeah, you can combine two methodologies. So we use both of them, and this is how it looks. So you see here, it has its own board as well. You see this board, another board, another board, another board. We call it sprint board, and this is the sprint here. Sprint is a duration. You work on a project deliverables under agile methodology or Scrum, under Scrum Agile. So we're going to talk about it in detail very soon. So that is Jira. Jira for us. So everybody is going to have a copy of this Jira as well. Then we'll have another collaborative tool, which is called Microsoft Teams. Most of us know Microsoft Teams only for video conferencing. it is gone beyond video conferencing. As a matter of fact, so many companies are using it to manage their day-to-day activities or project activities. So Microsoft Teams is a collaborative platform that combines chats, video conferencing, file sharing, project management capabilities with Microsoft 365, that is Office, Microsoft Office. The feature here for Microsoft Teams to have chats, communicate with team members through individual or group. You can equally create a group. You can have meetings, video meetings. You can have file sharing. You can share your file seamlessly. It's very good. And it's equally integrate. You can integrate it with other third-party application or mainly Microsoft application like Outlook, SharePoint, and Planner. So if you find yourself in an organization, they are using this, it's not big deal. So it's more like if you know how it works, maybe some of us don't know how it's just like a Zoom product or this Google Meet we are using right now. So we can classify them, but the only thing is that it's a bit more skilled than Google Meet. But Google Meet is working so hard to catch up with this. So it's not just ordinary video conferencing app. It has gone beyond that. So it's not difficult to use. We have Basecamp. Basecamp is another collaborative tool. It's very simple. I've used Basecamp for a long time. So I stopped using Basecamp, then I started using FreeCamp for my teaching and organizing students' projects. So Basecamp is a project management and team collaboration platform that offers features for task management, file sharing, and communication. Key features: projects. The project helps you to organize tasks, discussion, and file into project. We have what we call to-do list. Very powerful. To create and assign tasks with due date and priority. Then they have message board, where you post announcements, updates, and comments for team members. It has the capacity to be integrated with other applications like Google Drive and Dropbox. This is how it looks. Sorry. This is one of the projects I managed here. I think this is the last project I managed on Basecamp. So how it looks. So this is to do. This is the message board, chart, schedule, chart table, and docs and file. It's very simple and very powerful. Then we have ClickUp. So many of you might know ClickUp. ClickUp is very, very popular for startups, small and all stuff. It has too many things. You know, what it has is too much. It's overloaded, you know, and it's free. Although there are some things you want to do and you have to sign up, you have to pay for it. They have premium version as well, and they have free version. So ClickUp is a popular project management tool designed to be flexible and adaptable to the need of various teams and projects. It boasts a wide range of features that allow users to organize tasks in hierarchy structure with workplace, spaces, lists, and tasks. You can equally choose from multiple project view, including lists, board, Kanban, calendar, and Gantt, and more. So it is a lot. And collaborative features, you can collaborate effectively with features like real-time editing, commenting, mention, and task assignment. And it can equally track progress and stay on top of deadlines with reminders, reporting, and goal-setting tools. So, key features in ClickUp: multi-project view. You can use it to manage up to 15 projects, but for me, it's the features here is too much, but it's good. Customizable hierarchy. They have hierarchy like workspace, space, list, and tags. And you can customize it the way you want. Anyhow you want to use it, it has that flexibility for you to customize it to, align with your team desire. Collaborative, you can collaborate effectively, foster teamwork with features like real-time editing, in-app chats, task comments, mention, and ability to assign multiple team members to a task. Yeah, so many of these tools, they used to be even in Freecamp. Before, you can assign so many team members to work on one, but now you can still do it, but it's no longer the way it used to be. So then goal setting and tracking, and equally use it to set a goal and track your project visually. It has a very beautiful interactive dashboard for reporting. With that, you can see what is happening within your project environment through the dashboard. Give you beautiful insight. They equally have what we call ClickUp. ClickUp are pre-built templates and functionality designed for specific workflow. So if you want to a special template, they have a lot of templates, but before you can do that, you need to pay for it. So, and it's very good for automation as well. You can automate a lot of repetitive activities. This is how it looks. It looks this way. So you can see here, under here, you see a lot of projects, just like Freecamp. You can use it to manage multiple projects and have good visibility of all of them at the same time. Okay, this is where we are ending the collaborative tools. Then we'll look at documentation, have tools, project management tools, specifically for project documentation and equally reporting. Then number one, the most popular is Microsoft. Call it Microsoft Office. Some call it Office 365. This 365, we all know about Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. All of them are all the application that comes under Microsoft Office. Call it Microsoft Office because it's very powerful tools to help you to do your daily office work. Then just like Microsoft Office 365, we have Google Workspace. Google Workspace is what I'm using to teach you at the moment. You know, they come with a lot of features. Google cloned everything that Microsoft did. So Word, Google call it Doc. Excel, Google call it Sheet. PowerPoint, Google call it Slide. Then Outlook, which is Microsoft email, Google call it Gmail. Then Microsoft Team, Google call it Google Meet. So, and everything, all these things that Google cloned is 100% free. All these are free. Even their email is free. But you see all these for Microsoft, none of them is free. They're all paid for. And I've paid my dues. Before I discovered Google and their what they can offer, I've paid a lot of money using Microsoft and their products. But since I discovered Google, I'm not spending a dime again on all this. They're all free and they are so beautiful to use. So Google is giving me very good vibes and I'm loving it. I love using Google products. So sorry. This is Google Workspace. This is how it looks like. I have all this for you. Have calendar, they have cloud search, they have Google Doc, they have Drive, they have Form, Gmail, Google Charts, Google Contacts, Google Meet, Group for Business, Jamboard, Keep, Google Sheet, Google Sites, and Google Slide, and even more. And do you know what? All of them are free. You can use all of them free. So that's what I use to do my work. I like saving costs. You can call me a poor man. I don't care. But I like saving costs. And Google is helping me to save that cost. So, yeah. So I know somebody like Vera is a very rich babe, you know. They don't send anybody. You know, they don't want to, they are not using Google, they use Microsoft. But me, they save. Okay. That's see here, Google Meet. They will come to project meeting and conferencing. Meeting and conferencing. Yeah. Do you know that meeting, conventional meeting, is dead? Do you believe that? How many of you agree with me? How many of you disagree with me? In workplaces, conventional meeting is dead. It's only in maybe government establishments that, you know, I don't know why government, but let me just say government in Africa, why they have refused to change. It's something that I don't know why, you know, because even here, my wife here works in the local government, and everything is, their standard is better than even bank. Their standard of IT, even bank, even bank cannot compare, even IT company cannot compare with them. You see their standard. But you see, let me use local government where I worked. At some point, I went to somewhere where they are packing all the files. You know, some of the files you saw there is you cannot use it because they're all damaged. You can't, they are just there. I have to get rid of all of because they are messy. You see, even some of them, you see maggots, you see termites. There's nothing you don't see. Rain is even, oh my God. Is that how the data we are going to build the data center in Africa with this mindset of government? So the point I'm making is it's only at that level that you can see people still come together, have meeting every day. If you don't come, but these days, everything is online. Why online? Online will help you to record the meeting, document the meeting, do a lot of things. And it's easy, makes life easy. You know, women, we don't like this kind of things. I think it's it because men has been the people leading Nigeria for long, because men with wives we like hard life. But you see, women, they love soft life. It's one thing I like women. They love to have it soft. They don't play with their soft life. But women will like hard life. So I think it's time to give women a chance in Nigeria to lead, to see if they can change a lot of things in Nigeria. I'm being honest. Honest. There's no need of gra. We are men anymore. We should give them, even if in this our class, you look at what is going on here. How many men do we have in this class? Since I started this my teaching here, all my classes there, 80 women, 80% to the ratio of 20%. The women will be 80 and the men will be 20. The 20 men that will be here, they will always be doing hard man. If you tell them to do this, they say, no, we are not going to do it, hard man. At the end of the day, they will still be doing hard man. Some of these women will go out there and be getting job, and they still do hard man. You know? So, the few men here, they're gonna change you. Yeah, we need to develop our place. Okay, all this talk started from Google video conferencing, inability to use video conferencing in so many places in Nigeria workplaces. You know, here everything these days is online. It makes life easy. So what we are using now is called Google Meet. That's what I'm using to have meeting with you. And Microsoft Teams is very good. Zoom is equally very good. All of them are very good. But like I said, I've fallen in love with Google. They have a lot, give us a lot. You know, they are fast. And one thing with Google, they are very good and they don't make noise. It's left for you to discover Google products. Even this AI, as we are talking, Google is leading. Google is even leading ChatGPT. Google Gemini is leading, but they don't make noise. But others will be there shouting, hey, 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 like Facebook will be shouting, making noise everywhere. But Google is quiet, and they are extremely They are among the richest company in the whole world. You know, so all right. Google, some people will say that even like it's like Google have paid you well. I'm just trying to justify because I use their product and I'm loving it and I'm recommending it for you so that it will help you to learn a lot and save money. So that is the basic tools I'm suggesting that we start with. We have another tool called GoToMeeting. It's just another conferencing tool. So let's start with all these I've listed. So start mastering whichever was if you master all of them, then your journey into project management is going to be very smooth for you. It's going to make life easy for you, and that is my prayer for all of you. Yeah, to start it very smoothly. And it's possible. So that's it. All the tools we need to master. Most of the tools we talk about here, we've already started using them. I'm not going to come here and start teaching you. I'm not going to have a separate class teaching you how to use Google Meet, because we have been using it for getting over 1 month now. We're using it. So we should know how to use it. Even before you guys join here, so many of you have been using some others like Zoom, things like that. So like some of those who come from Equus class, what she used to teach is Zoom. So you must have known all this. It's just to bring it to your notice and stress that you have to master it. If you are just be using it, okay, the next is for you to master it, because you might be using it in the position of being led. But very soon you are going to be using it to lead other people, to host events, just like I'm using it to host an event. What I'm doing here is an event. So whenever you are hosting a meeting, it's an event. Thank you. And if you have questions, all yours. And that's going to be the end for this week. And by next week, we're going to try as much as we can to tidy up so that we go start looking for a job. Yeah, because yeah, you need to start making something before the Christmas comes, like I promised. It's just that this week I skipped a lot of work last week, and this week my table is very full. So I'm trying to cover up with so many things I missed last week. All right. If you have questions, so if you don't have question, okay, thank you. Yeah, Augustina, yes.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Carry on.
Sir, please. I just want to find out this Microsoft and Google. You know, in Microsoft packages, they can be used offline, like maybe while you are working on Excel or Word. But in Google, I think it's only online. I don't know. Is there a way that they can be used offline? Maybe even if it's only when you want to upload it, then you can
Yeah,
connect.
Google, they are all cloud applications, so you can't use it offline.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Is the internet here a problem?
In Nigeria.
Nigeria is a rich country, so
In
I don't know.
Nigeria, internet is giving us tough time.
Don't worry. We're going to conquer.
Amen. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
As we see that everybody have seen now that is a must. You know, we need internet more than we even need electricity.
Yes.
Yeah, because with internet, you can even use power, solar power to
Yes.
get electricity. Internet, we need it in order to connect. Once you are connected, there is chances of you, even from your village, becoming a millionaire.
Yes, sir.
Unlike before, or when we see if you be abroad, that's the only way you can touch dollar. But here, anywhere where you be, all you know, this one better scale
Dollar.
learn, you will don't be catch dollar with that.
Okay,
So,
sir. Thank you.
all right. Thank you, Augustina.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, any more questions? None. All right. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice evening.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Yeah,
night, sir.
Paul. Good night.
Thank you, our
Thank
jolly
you.
good lecturer.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Thank you.
Yeah, I
night,
greet
sir.
everyone. So,
You are a jolly good lecturer indeed, sir.
thank you, Audu Shehu.
Yes, sir. God bless you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.